This is a Ford Transit and it's hard starting. Sometimes it will start and then cut out straight away. I'm looking at the relay fault code that was there. What I'm using is a relay jumper. It's like 4 jumper wires where you can clip on to your multimeter and see what's going on. And it seems to be working fine just now. But I've had this fault on a Renault Traffic. It was very similar, saying that there was a relay fault. That's the relay jumper kit there, in case somebody wants to see what I'm using. But it ended up not being the relay that was faulty. The problem was down to the battery terminals being too slack even when the nut was tight. I just put cable ties around to make them even tighter for now because it was freezing outside and that's all I had. Really it needs better clamps fit into this eventually. Hopefully this will help somebody. Thanks for watching.